Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the starblast shot. Now, I believe I found this on Tipsybartender, but I'm not actually 100% sure if it was on his, so I'm just going to put starblast in the title, and if somebody makes a comment on it, maybe I'll redo it at some point. I don't know. I'll figure it out later as I go. But what you're going to need is strawberry pucker or a liqueur of some sort, vodka, whatever you want to choose, and you'll also need a Tullamore Dew or an Irish whiskey of your choosing. I believe they use Tullamore Dew, and I'm going to use Tullamore Dew because I really rather not use any type of other Irish whiskey than Tullamore. So we're going to need our shaker for this one. Make sure you fill your shaker with some ice. So let me grab some ice here. Yeah, that's probably fine. We don't really need to add that much ice, I don't think. Alright, next up, we're going to pour in 2 ounces of our strawberry liqueur, and I'm not sure if I have enough for this, and apparently I do. I probably should just finish that bottle off tonight, but we'll see. So 2 ounces of strawberry liqueur. Yep, very, very sugary. 1 ounce of your vodka. So you could probably make at least 2 or 3 shots for your friends. And you'll need about a half an ounce of your Tully, which I'm actually going to probably go for closer to 3/4 of an ounce, because I poured incorrectly. Why not a little bit more Tully? Tully and strawberry actually go well together. So, alright, and then we're going to go ahead and start shaking. Bring guys back in when I'm done. Alright, I think that's good enough because my hands are now very much freezing. I probably have frostbite on them. So let's go ahead and pour up our shot. This is apparently the starblast. Let's go ahead and try it out. Ooh, that is really tasty. I feel like it might need a little bit more Tully, maybe. And maybe some newer strawberry liqueur, because my strawberry liqueur is like 2 years old. But besides that, it is actually really sweet. It's really good. You pretty much taste everything. You can feel a slight burn from the vodka, but it's not a huge amount. And technically, you could use whatever the vodka you want to use. You could technically use Everclear for all I give a shit. Wouldn't recommend it because you'll probably feel more than anything else, but it's a pretty sweet shot. Let's have another one. Why not? I made like 3 shots worth. Let's do it. Yeah, very sweet. Maybe only adding half an ounce of Tully would have been probably preferable, but I also kind of think that adding more Tully is also really good too, because again, Tully and strawberry actually work really well together. And I can go ahead and just do a little bit to see, because I still need to get rid of this anyway, so whatever. We'll pour in a little bit more. Yeah, that goes really well together. Ever wanted strawberry flavored Tully? That's the way to go. Very sugary, unfortunately. You might be better off actually using maybe strawberry vodka and Tully, maybe? Maybe. I'm not sure. That's something I have to experiment with a little bit. Because there was a drink that I made before that was a jungle juice that was using strawberry liqueur, a few other ingredients, and Tully, which was really good. Actually, I can make myself one tonight, but probably after this next drink that I'm going to do, I'm probably not going to do it. You'll understand why when you see it. Yeah, pretty excellent shot. Just, I don't know if it really tastes like a starblast, like a Bang starblast. I do have some, but I don't want to dig one out right now. But yeah, I think it tastes really good, and I think you guys should maybe try it out. I rate it on maybe 4.1, 4.2 out of 5, maybe. I would definitely have it again. Since this video is so short, I want to let you guys know we do have a merch shop if you ever want to buy yourself a Alcoholic Endeavors shirt, or, which you guys probably couldn't see that very well, and or an Alcoholic Endeavor glass. There's also hoodies and sweatshirts and pet tees and other things if you guys ever want to check that out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.